Welcome to the show, everybody. It's the Crypto Lark, bringing you this April 4th edition of what is happening in cryptocurrency land. Before we get to that, just a quick reminder, this is, of course, not professional financial advice, guys. This is just a dude talking about cryptocurrencies on the internet. We're starting off today with 3 different stories about fraud and deception. The SEC busts fraudulent ICO, endorsed by Floyd Mayweather. This is, of course, Centra. Centra, for a long time, had faced different allegations of wrongdoings. Now, of course, the SEC has actually arrested them. So it seems the cookie has crumbled for the guys at Centra. Vitalik Buterin, just the other day, got up and publicly denounced Craig Wright to his face at a conference, saying, "Why do we have to sit here and listen to this fraud?" Questioning, of course, why the conference even invited someone like Craig Wright to come and speak. And finally, a public service advisory for everyone. There is something called the Proof of Weak Hands 3D coin being promoted currently on YouTube. Make sure you guys stay away from this one. This is currently being promoted by such renowned YouTubers as Craig Grant and Trayvon James, who of course brought everybody to financial ruin via BitConnect. You've been warned, guys. Over in Japan, Japan is gathering together 500 agents to fight cybercrime and crypto theft. Cool. The crypto police, da-da-da! They're coming for you guys. Watch out. That, of course, is Japan really taking very seriously crypto theft because it is a growing trend, and so it's nice to see them fighting back a little bit against cyber crime. Japanese brokerage firm may acquire CoinCheck. CoinCheck, of course, being the company that was hacked big time for NEM. So hopefully this Japanese brokerage will take over CoinCheck and, of course, revitalize that exchange. Amber Baldette is leaving JP Morgan, off to start a new venture. I think we're all very curious to see what that new venture is going to be. Amber has been a strong voice in the space, of course, leading JP Morgan's blockchain team for quite a while now. I think we'll all be waiting to see just what she comes up with next. Over at the NEM Foundation, Lon Wong and Jeff McDonald are stepping down from their roles as president and vice president, shifting over to advisory roles. This is a big shakeup in the way that NEM is going to work. They will be replaced by Christoph van der Recht. He'll be the interim president of the NEM Foundation. But nevertheless, they do want to focus more on bringing new projects into NEM and helping those new projects incorporate into NEM. I think this is a positive thing. They're not leaving NEM behind. They're just changing their roles so they can focus less on the day-to-day running of the ship and more on bringing new people on board. So pretty cool stuff. Publica has their test e-reader alpha version out. So if you're interested in checking out how that works, go over and get signed up. The guys over at iDo have their private test net for their hybrid exchange going. They're almost ready to release it on the Ethereum mainnet. I know a lot of people have been hanging out waiting for this to happen, so pretty exciting news to see that it will be happening soon. Qlink is the first Neo dApp to be on Google Play. So well done to the Qlink guys for continuing to move from strength to strength. It's been a very big week for them. Bytom teasing us that their mainnet is still scheduled to launch in April. This is from a recent chat that the CTO did on the impact of AI computing. But I know there will be a lot of people out there really excited to see that mainnet actually rolling out. This is one of those quiet little projects that doesn't get anywhere near as much love as it should. The guys over at Bangor are launching a native wallet with built-in token conversion. That's really exciting. Of course, Bangor for a long time has been very integral in helping different projects launch, and now to see a decentralized crypto wallet coming in, that's really cool. I think that the guys at Bangor will deliver something that will be quite pleasing for the audience. Bitmain has indeed released their Ethereum ASIC miner. They're limiting it to 1 miner per person. It is not available in China. This is 180 mega hashes, and it's $800 US. Now, to put that in perspective, if you go to what to mine and you put that in, you'll be getting about $6 worth of Ethereum a day. Obviously, Ethereum will be moving to a proof of stake model at some point, but you'll still have Ethereum Classic or Ubic or Metaverse, for example, that you can mine. So if you do get one of those miners, you still have the possibility to mine other coins once Ethereum switches over moving forward. Anyway, guys, that is the news roundup for today. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.